Ever wondered how companies decide who gets the job and who doesn't? Recruitment is the secret doorway, and today, I'm stepping inside to reveal how it all really works. Recruitment is basically matchmaking for careers. It's finding the right people for the right roles, and trust me, it's way more than just scrolling through resumes. So, how does it all actually go down? First up, sourcing candidates. Recruiters are like detectives hunting on LinkedIn, job boards, asking for referrals, even sliding into DMs on social media. If you've ever gotten a random message from a recruiter, now you know why. Next, it's screening resumes. Sometimes a human reviews your resume, sometimes it's a computer. And honestly, sometimes it's both. Only the best fits make it to the next round. So yes, keywords matter. Then comes the big one, interviews and selection. This could mean video calls, assessments, or good old-fashioned face-to-face interviews. If you nail it, you get that golden ticket, aka the offer letter. But here's the plot twist. Recruitment in 2025 is not what it used to be. Companies now use AI, video interviews, even gamified tests to find people who stand out. It's not just about your resume anymore. It's about showing your skills, your personality, and what makes you unique. Without good recruitment, companies just can't grow. And without recruiters, amazing talents like you might never be discovered. Recruitment is literally the heartbeat of HR. So, next time you apply for a job, remember there's a recruiter out there searching for someone just like you. Hit subscribe and join me next time as I explore training and development in HR, how companies help you grow after you get the job.